13 years, I really wanted to be a fashion designer. But as I grew and got matured enough, I understood the market is really saturated. Everyone is a designer. Wherever you look around, there are a lot of designs and the fashion is there. So what made me start Shravani as a label is that so I got graduated in Dubai. So seeing the fashion in Dubai, I know like there's something missing in Coimbatore also. So I wanted to bring that kind of luxury fashion to Coimbatore audience. So, but in a very affordable way. Why? Because fashion should be straight available to everyone. It shouldn't be very expensive. So when they say luxury, they'll be like, okay, it's very expensive to afford. So I do not want to see it in a business aspect. I wanted to do it like like every person deserves to look good. And they should buy everything they see. They should be able to buy it.
Yeah.
So that's why I started the Shravani Reddy label. I made it very sure that this is luxury but affordable.
You're breaking all the stereotypes.
Yes.
That's nice. And ma'am, so can you describe the design aesthetics of Shravani Reddy label?
I sometimes take inspiration from basic flowers, landscapes, from my travels. So my designs are in a way that, it shouldn't look very fashionable and at the same time it shouldn't look very basic.
Alright. Okay.
So I try to do designs in a very modest way. Like even if they look very fashionable, like you say organza blouses or satin drapes, that's really like that actually stood out in my label. Like everyone likes those pieces, having a draped skirt. It's very easy to wear, so it should be easy. It should be like comfortable at the same time, and it should be modest also. Considering the fact that we are in Coimbatore, the term modest is really important for me. So why designing an
So ma'am, when it comes to Shravani Reddy label, is there a particular section that you follow or a particular line of clothing or design or a really eclectic and not like anything like that?
So, from the house of Shravani, we have segregated into three aspects like Shravani Reddy label. So, like I said, it's affordable luxury. So, we only have like party wears and semi-formal, and anyone who wants to look not so basic. Yeah, so just for them. So, and my newest brand is called the Preach.
Okay.
So, Preach is something that we do not want to define your beauty with size chart.
Okay.
So we don't use a proper size chart
Wow.
like XS or S. You are an M.
Yeah.
Instead we just have a different name in
Like for example, like how do you?
so like majestic.
Wow. Okay.
So that means you're just guys are just like it feels we don't say you're a double XL model. Just buy it guilt free.
Great.
And the Preach is also like we do not produce more, again seeing in the sustainable aspect of the thing.
Yeah.
We are not a fast fashion brand. We only have very, very limited pieces. Fast come, first serve.
Okay.
Okay. And also we also try to help people how to style it.
Wow.
So on our page, whatever tops we're trying to sell, we make sure that you can style it in this skirt or this pant. We help them out.
So you're like in a way we're reusing, not
like we give 2-3 options to them. Skirt, pant. If you're a skirt person, go with this one. With that, you have a tote bag or this kind of earring.
Okay.
So Preach is a complete revolutionary brand for me.
Okay.
Like we don't use any size chart and it is completely cotton.
Oh wow.
Considering, again the Coimbatore, the climate and the workplace where we women go usually, So we prefer to wear cotton more on a daily basis.
Okay.
And also for people like, even I don't like wearing very basic clothes.
So I like to look.
Yeah. So for them, they can go with the Preach.
Okay.
And if they want to look very good for the parties, they can go with the label segment.
Okay. Alright. So you have a classification for everything.
Right.
In their comfort.
Right.
I think for all the entrepreneurs or any working woman today, that's a great combo that you're offering. So also ma'am, what sets Shravani Reddy label, class apart from any other brand that we see out there?
See, I don't consider myself competing with any brand.
Okay.
This brand is solely reflects who I am as a person, as a designer.
Yeah.
Because I do not want to, say that this particular brand is my competition. I want to do better than them. No.
Okay.
everyone have their own people who like your designs. Maybe some people might like my designs, may not like someone's design. It's completely on the people side.
Yeah.
So I would like to do what I like.
Yeah.
More than, okay, they are doing better than us, we should do better. No, I don't take that aspect in my mind.
Okay, that's
So
lovely.
till now, whatever designs I've made, it's completely about myself, like what I see fashion in through my lens.
Yeah, right. So I think for any budding fashion designer, they should keep this in mind. Anything that you would suppose somebody's taking the fashion, they want to step into that world. What is your piece of advice for anybody?
I think you should be really passionate about this field,
Okay.
firstly, because, like I said, the market is really saturated. There are so many competitors around you, and sometimes it might be depressing that you're not making any sale. But you should not, person who wants to do fashion, the first thing you need to remove from your head is the sale aspect.
Yeah.
You need to understand that, this is your design. You need to make people understand why they should buy your design instead of just, buy it, buy it.
Okay. So you feel like, sell the emotion, like
Yeah, you're
rather than
supposed to sell fashion,
Yeah.
sell style, and I think you need to sell comfort as well.
Okay. So, ma'am, can you share any memorable milestone or moment from the time the inception of your brand had happened?
I think I won the Tamil Nadu State Award for the best fashion, design label, and for Le Shiro, because also I got featured in the Hindu and the Dinamalar newspaper
Okay.
for being the first pet clothing brand of Tamil Nadu.
That's great.
I think all of these are a big milestone for me.
Yeah.
Within months of my startup, I could achieve this.
Yeah.
Definitely, with all the recognition and people support and love, this could happen.
That's great. So I don't see any other pet clothing brand so far.
Right.
Right. That's great. Yeah, ma'am. So how do you stay updated with all the fashion trends that is going on, and like what's your unique style for a go-to day?
What keeps me up to date is your social media. Your mobile is your main thing on fashion, because whatever happens, be it on Vogue,
Yeah.
or these famous pages, I think you need to be up to date about it. Even be it business or fashion, these are the pages that every budding designer also should be up to date. What they're trying to put up in the market right now. What is the style?
Okay.
I think these websites are really important.
All right.
And Pinterest is one of the greatest inspiration for me.
Okay.
And for me, my go-to style is a dress, one-piece dress,
Okay.
because it's very comfortable and it's effortlessly you can look pretty. You just don't have to style so many things with just basic hoops and your long one-piece dress. I'm good to go.
So, ma'am, what are your future goals when you see Shravani Reddy label or the Le Shiro brand in the coming years now?
I think when I'm saying like Le Shiro, I think I need to be recognized like globally, because
Okay.
fashion is not just for us.
Yeah.
And when considering pets are a family,
Yeah.
and we do, include them in our weddings and when we travel,
Yeah.
and the pet dresses are not just fashion, but in looking at the health aspect, and
Okay.
it does make a lot of sense to that, because when you see like Shih Tzus, we often trim their hair all of a sudden.
Yeah.
They feel like there's something missing on their body.
Okay.
So I think at that time, the dresses are a savior for them.
Everybody should understand.
Everyone should understand that dog, the pet clothes are not just fashionable, or, it's just a waste of investment, but it is good by investing
I
in
think
this.
there's a meaning behind.
Yes. So I think by understanding this aspect, I think everyone should know the importance of dressing up your pet at least one at a time.
Okay. Okay.
Not everyday aspect, but at least one, when needed.
Yeah. And what about Shravani Reddy label? How do you see that?
I just want to be recognized for my designs. Like when they look at my pieces, they should know that it's from Shravani Reddy.
Okay.
So
Okay.
even if it takes a very slow process,
Yeah.
I think it's worth the wait for me.
That's nice. And your favorite pick from your brand itself?
I like the drape skirt and the ruffle top, which I wore for my launch party. It's still the favorite statement piece, and I've made the highest sales out of it as well.
Okay.
So I think that is my favorite piece till date.
Okay, that's great. I think I should really thank you for giving us the opportunity to interview you.
Thank
Because there are
you.
many budding entrepreneurs out there And like I said, I came across your page and the curiosity to hear your story and today to be here. And I think I'm very grateful to you. Thanks a lot for giving us opportunity.